Okay, so we are at the computer. First of all, we can open up LOKLiK Idea Studio. So this is the 2.0 version. And I have, if we just go to text over here, and then up here, we can actually change the font, size, letter space, line space, and align. So this is your text bar up here where you can change all things to do with your text. So if we go to font, now we've got LOKLiK. So this is all the fonts that come with your LOKLiK Idea Studio 2.0 software. And then we've got a tab here that says System Fonts. And these are all your system fonts, but they're not all your system fonts. So I've got over, I reckon, 500 fonts installed on my computer, but most of them didn't translate to LOKLiK Idea Studio 2.0. So that's what we're going to work out today. And then over here we've got favorites. So if you go to one of these fonts, say Babylon Script, I really like that one. Click on this star. And then when you go into your favorites, so it's really quick. Like I normally use like around about 10 fonts all the time. So it's really quick and easy to just have them all here instead of scrolling through and finding one that you really like. You can also use this search bar. So if we go Arial, you'll get all the Arial fonts. Now, if you're looking for a particular font, like if I search for the baby font that I was just using, it doesn't find it for some reason. I'm not entirely sure why. Okay, so let's get into installing your font. So what I recommend is closing down LOKLiK Idea Studio. So we'll get out of this, exit. So this is where I've got some of my fonts saved. So we're going to go into Coffee Frills. Now I've noticed that LOKLiK Idea Studio 2.0 only picks up TTF fonts. So I've tried to download multiple times, install multiple times an OTF font, but LOKLiK won't pick it up. So we're going to install the Coffee Frills TTF. Okay, so we're just going to click on Coffee Frills and we're going to right click on it. Now we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says Show More Options. I am on Windows 11. If you are on Windows 10 or later, you may not have to go Show More Options. It might just be there in the drop-down menu. So we click on Show More Options and then we're going to click on Install for all users. Now it says installing Coffee Frill fonts and we'll just minimize that. Let's open up our LOKLiK Idea Studio. And then press text. Now we'll go to System Fonts. And it was called Coffee Frills. Now it's there. So we can click on that. And then change our font. Okay, so I wanted to show you one more example. Sometimes your font might be in zipped folder. So if we go to, let's see, I love glitter. Now that's in a zipped folder. You can see that it's got like a little zip on it. You have to extract this first. So we can either right click and press extract all, or in Windows 11, you can press extract all up here. So either way, I just extract it into the same folder that I'm using. I've already extracted this. This is just for demonstration, but we can replace the files. Yep, let's go. And then we've got the OTF and then the TTF. So I've only been able to get it to work with the TTF files. So we're going to click on this I love glitter, right click on it, go down to show more options, and then install for all users. I've already got this font installed on my computer, but it wasn't showing up on the LOKLiK Idea Studio. So I'm just going to say yes, replace it. So then it's done a fresh install of I love glitter font on my computer. And then we'll open up LOKLiK Idea Studio again. And we'll get our text box and then go over to System Font. And then if we go down, there it is, I love glitter. I wonder if it will actually. Okay, so it searched for that okay. Yeah, sometimes if I write the whole, oh, now it's working. Yeah, prove me wrong. Yeah, so that is how you install fonts for LOKLiK Idea Studio. If you have any comments or questions, please drop them down in the comments below. I'm happy to answer anything.